Hi, myself Anshu Kumawat. I am professional makeup artist. Today I am going to show you natural makeup look. So I am going to start with CTM, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So I am cleansing my face. Now I am toning my face with Jovi's Rose Water. Now I am moisturizing with Falsali cream. With PAC blending brush, I am going to blend this moisturizer. Brush number is 370. Now I am going to use this correcting palette by Richa Dave. I am using this orange corrector and at my pigmentations. Also at my under eyes for covering my dark circles. Now I'm concealing at top of my corrector by Makeup Studio brush, and the brush number is 05. After concealing, I'm going to use foundation. Now I'm using this matte foundation. The shade is NC42. After application of founder, I'm going to use this RD Beauty Blender. I'm using wet beauty blender for blending my foundation. Now I'm completed my blending with beauty blender. Now I'm going to use this Laura Mercier translucent powder to lock my base. So I have done with Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm going to contour my face with Ferrero powder contour kit. With PAC brush, the brush number is 046. Now I'm going to contour my nose with the same brush, angular brush. So I have done with my contour, and the blusher brush by PAC 375. I have done with my blusher. Now I'm using this PAC highlighter with the Beautylicious brush 212. Now I'm going to use this Tarte concealer for eye base. By using flat brush. Now I'm using this Carnival palette by Be Perfect for my eye makeup. Now I'm using natural brown shade at my outer corner to my inner corner by clockwise and anti-clockwise. Again I'm using this natural brown color at my outer corner. Again I'm using natural brown color and I'm blending by clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now I'm using black color at my outer corner by Pro Art brush 08 number. Now I'm using this natural brown color at my eyeball by Pro Art brush and the brush number is 13. Now I'm using this Anastasia Brow Definer. Now I'm going to use this puller for blending this product. Now I'm using this Nika Kohl pencil. I'm going to make smoky eyeliner. Now I'm going to applying mascara by Color Bar. Now I'm putting kajal by Color Bar. Now I'm going to put lipstick and now I'm using my Glam Lit lip liner. The shade is brown. Now I'm going to use Forever 52 lipstick. Now I'm going to use this Rio Herbs Makeup Fixer. So I have done my makeup. Thank you.